Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Compoform moon coin and whether you should get it or not. But yeah, this thing's pretty cool. But before we do get into the video, make sure you are subscribed, turn on the bell notifications so you're up to date whenever I post. And also don't forget to check out our channel sponsors down below. Use my code Fidgets at checkout to get 10% off your entire order. And yeah, let's get right into the video. So got this thing about like a month and a half ago. I love the design of this thing. It's really nice. The attention to detail is just like nothing I've ever had before. It's really, really nice. The pickaxe, the moonman himself, the ore is mining, just all like really, really nicely detailed. And on this side as well, where he's swinging, these rough edges right here, that's nice. But yeah, just looks 10 out of 10, no question about it. Function, 10 out of 10 for sure. But before we get into those, I'm gonna go ahead and quickly weigh this thing for you guys. .61 grams. Okay. But if you guys are wondering about each half, here it is. 21.49, 19.91, and 41.6059. So yeah, there you go. That's the weight. And for the size, one sec. 8.4 millimeters. .5, and for each half it's gonna be 4.2, 4.1, 4.2. Yes, right there, about the same. And 1 second, I'm gonna get my decibel reader and be right back. All right, I got it back. All right, let's see. This thing is pretty loud. It's like 91. So it's definitely like one of my loudest fidgets I have. But I definitely do like it. I like that it's round and you can just slide it. I like the titanium feel, the nice design, nice grippy edges. It's just really nice to fidget with. But these are limited to like only 50 pieces for the entire world, I believe. No. I think it's 50 per US, and then a 50 outside of the US. I think like 100 total, or it's 25, I'm not sure. But yeah, these are rare for sure. Yeah. And again, like there's nowhere. Like I've been using this for months. Not months, but like a month. And this got like almost nowhere on it. And you can be quiet with it kind of, if you want to be. So yeah, but I think that'll be all for this video, guys. Not a long one, a short one. But I mean, there is also the Laugh Now, Cry Later coin and the Medusa coin. But I have not had a chance to check those out. Pluke did say that this is the best version of it. Of the coin, I mean, yeah. So it's again 4 magnets track. Pretty simple, but good. Almost dropped that. But yeah, it's a pretty solid fidget. If you can score one, definitely do. It's a nice piece of work of art. But yeah, that'll be all for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to check out the channel sponsors down below. Use my code DailyDoseOfFidgets at checkout, and you get 10% off your entire order. So yeah, that's all. And make sure you're subscribed if you're not already. And yeah, see you guys in the next one.